So guys, the very first thing all you have to do is just download the brown tone mobile Lightroom preset, also the desktop Lightroom preset, also the camera preset, which I have given you from the links down given in the description or directly from our website. So the very first thing that you have to do is just copy that DNG preset file to your smartphone gallery and just open the Lightroom application. Just click on the plus icon on the bottom screen, just click on the three dots on the right screen, then just unselect the JPG and also the video file, just select the raw file. Raw file are the preset file which are present in your gallery of the mobile. So here is the brown preset file which I personally handcrafted for you guys. Now just click on this add button and it will be added to all photos in Lightroom application. So let's just wait for the moment. Here is the preset file, that is a brown tone preset. Click on the three dots on the right screen, just select the copy settings and hit OK. Now go back and just apply it to some other photos and let's see how it actually looks. Let's apply it to this photograph. Click on the three dots and select the paste settings and you are done. You can see the difference. It is really looking very amazing, guys. Let's try it on some other photo. Let's try it on this photograph. Just click on the three dots and select the paste settings and you are done. You can see the difference. It is really giving you a perfect brownish, moody, brownish Instagram look to make it look more and more amazing, just like the famous Instagram bloggers are using this kind of color effect in their photos. So you can see the difference. It is here is the before and here is the after, guys. Now let's try it on this photograph. Click on three dots and select the paste settings and you are done. You can see the difference. A huge difference can be seen in the photo, and which is making it look more and more amazing, guys. You can also use this same preset in the form of desktop Lightroom version. Also I have already given you from the links down given in the description. Also you can just check out the camera preset for your Photoshop also, so you can just download it for free. So guys, you can just all the preset are you can just download for free from our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. So guys, I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then just press the like button, and if you are new to our channel, then do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our videos and presets. Also guys, don't forget to visit our website www.ashvircreations.com and filterpreset.com to get the latest updates of videos and presets. Also guys, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. So guys, thank you for watching and bye bye till the next video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome.